Hello everybody and welcome to Key, Cam, and the Fam. And guys, today I am making potato salad. So I told you guys we're getting ready to start our holiday cooking. So today we're going to do potato salad and spaghetti. Yay! So I'll probably break this up into 2 videos, but for now we have 6 white potatoes cut up. We have 3 stalks of celery, one small onion. We have 3 eggs. We have our bell pepper. I have kosher pickles as well as sweet pickles, mustard, black pepper, onion powder, and I have mayonnaise, Hellmann's. So we've already started cutting our onion and our celery. So now we're getting ready to cut up. And as you can see, I like a crunchy potato salad. I like a crunchy and a chunky potato salad. So we already have this cut up. I'm getting ready to take you guys over to the stove because we're getting ready to boil our potatoes. We're getting ready to boil our potatoes, and we're getting ready to boil the 3 eggs. So guys, I'm sorry, Key. Okay. So I'm dropping all of my potatoes in. When you cut the potatoes like this, they actually cook faster. And remember, we're making potato salad, not mashed potatoes. I know a lot of times people will cook their potatoes so long and they so mushy. I don't like that. Now we're adding in 3 eggs. So we're going to let those potatoes cook about 20 minutes, and we're going to let the eggs cook for 20 minutes, and I'll bring you guys back. Okay, so guys, we're getting ready to cut up our pickles. And remember, I told you all I use kosher pickles and sweet pickles. Oh, that's a big one.
The lid is sanitized, by the way. Everything's sanitized in this house.
Of course. That should be enough pickles because I got to do the sweet pickles too. And we love our chunky potato salad.
Yes.
Okay, these are the sweet pickles. We just need more. And with these rest of these pickles, me and Key making us some Kool-Aid pickles. I'm Key. Okay, so we're gonna put these over there. And every time I cut, I'm pushing the other vegetables that way. Because when you cut it up like this right here, it makes it so quicker. You know what I'm saying? When you slice it, it makes it easy to cut up. So
yeah, that's what I do when I make potato salad.
no, when I ask you to cut up the stuff for the potato salad, you always get mad.
Huh?
Yes, you do.
Not me.
Excuse me?
No, sirree, not me.
Okay. So I'm gonna push that down. So this is what we do. Y'all keep me lying. So we got all our pickles cut up, except the little pickle. And I will bring you guys back when it's time to take the potato salad. I'm sorry, I will bring you guys back when it's time to take the potatoes out of the water. Okay guys, it's been exactly 15 minutes, but I'm looking at these potatoes and they're already starting to break apart. So I know now that they're ready to come out of the water. I'm going to take them out of the water and I'm going to let them cool off for probably about 20 minutes because I don't want to heat up my celery and bell peppers, onions and everything. So as you can see, the fork is going in real easy. So you know they're ready. And I'll bring you guys back once the potatoes cool off. Okay guys, so I'm just slicing up my eggs. And remember, we use 3 eggs. Cutting up your egg, make sure that it has cooled off. And you can actually speed up the process of the egg cooling off by using cold water. Okay, so now we're going to bring in our potatoes. I'm going to set this up here, my eggs over here. So these are our potatoes, and we just taking a wooden spoon and we just chunking it up because I don't want to whip it. I told you guys I love chunky potato salad. That's why I put so much in my potato salad. I do not like potato salad that reminds me of mashed potatoes. There is a difference. Okay, so we're gonna move these potatoes around. This is good enough. They're not hot. Actually, they're like room temperature. And I actually love cold potato salad. So, okay. So the first thing we're going to add in is our onions, celery, and pickles and bell peppers. Everybody remember that? Okay, so these are the sweet pickles. We put all of this in. That's a little bit too big. Okay, so now we're adding in our bell peppers. And as you add them in, if you see something that needs to be cut down, cut it. Because once you add all of this stuff in here, you are not going to go back through this and cut anything down. It's just not. So now we're getting ready to add in our celery. And this, remember that small onion we cut up? Okay. See, like pieces like this, if you catch it and it's too big, don't just put it in there.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. So, add all that in. Like those big pieces of celery. We'll eat all.
I'll eat it.
I'm sure you will. Okay, so we're gonna mix all of this in. Okay, so now we're going to add in the eggs. Remember that big piece? He still think he getting in. Let's put him over there. Okay. Okay. So we got all of this mixed in. Okay, so now we use our Hellmann's. This right here, this Hellmann's, to me, it makes the best potato salad. Okay, let's get a spoon. Let's rinse it off.
Y'all.
That's 1. And that's 2. So we're gonna mix this in.
It smells really good.
And if you're the type that like to put a little sugar in, you can. Sometime I do it and sometime I don't. I have to be honest with you. I think in Chicago, we like a lot like a vinaigrette flavor to our stuff. I think it's a Chicago thing. I really do. So we're going to add in just a little more mayonnaise, and that should be enough. Before I mix that in, I have my mustard. And you don't want to add a whole lot of mustard. And I just do this. This is the time that you would take your black pepper. Not a whole lot. Some people add garlic powder in. I don't add garlic powder in. It's make you sneeze.
It's soft floating up towards my
Oh,
face.
okay. And this mustard, it gives a really good tang. It really do. So if you the type like us that like a little salt, this is the time that you would add your salt in. And onion powder too. Just a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of onion powder. Oops, wrong side. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of onion powder in. Just a little bit. Okay, and I can look at it just the way it's looking. I can look at it and tell that I don't have enough mustard in. So we're gonna open up the mustard again. And we'll add a little more mustard in. And some people use white vinegar. I don't use white vinegar. I add a little bit of my pickle juice in. Okay, I'm gonna call my husband over here. And I'm gonna ask him to taste this for me.
Just use the mayonnaise spoon.
I don't need no more black pepper and anything. It's perfect. Okay.
Not missing anything.
My husband says it's not missing anything. We're gonna let the camera lady taste this.
She'll enjoy it as long as it's food.
It's good.
Let me get another spoonful.
No, you don't need another spoonful. And guys, this is my potato salad. And what I do, whatever bowl I'm gonna serve this in, then I'll sprinkle a little paprika on top of it. And that's it. So this is my potato salad. I hope you guys try this recipe. It's simple, it's quick, it's good. And it's very inexpensive too. Because everybody should have mayonnaise and eggs and mustard and black pepper and everything in the house. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you guys in the next video. I am dropping cooking videos until Monday. So this is my potato salad for Memorial Day.